In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data from iPhone 14 to Android. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to manage all of the data that you have on an iPhone, such as your files, your apps, photos, videos, and ensure that they are transferred over to a new Android device. You have two main options to do this. You can either do it using a USB cable, which is what I recommend, and it's also the main option, or you can use iCloud. If you want to use iCloud, then follow these steps, but if you simply want to use a USB cable, you can skip ahead. For iCloud, what you have to do is back up all of your data before you transfer it over. So on the settings of your iPhone, go into your Apple ID at the top, choose iCloud settings, and in here you can see all of the applications that are currently being backed up into iCloud. So ensure that anything that you would like to have transferred over is turned on. So for example, if you want to transfer over all of your contacts, ensure that this option is enabled, and so on for every single application. Once you double check to see what is being saved into iCloud and you have enabled or disabled it accordingly, go into the iCloud backup option here. Then you will be able to perform an iCloud backup. Choose the option to backup now, and this will initiate a backup with all of the settings that you enabled or disabled here. Now, with the backup done, go into your Android device, choose the settings, and then go into accounts and backup. Select transfer data for device setup, and this will allow you to choose the option to transfer the data from an iPhone. They are going to suggest you to connect a cable, which is the main way of initiating this transfer. So one end of the cable into the Samsung device or the Android device, and the other one into the iPhone. You can choose also to use iCloud. So if you wanted to use iCloud from the start, choose the option here. And regardless of which one you choose, you can individually select which data is going to be transferred over. So stuff like your contacts, messages, images, videos, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer data from iPhone 14 to Android. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.